Hey everyone! Today I want to share something that's really brought me peace of mind. And honestly, I think it can help a lot of people out there. Have you ever stopped to think about how we carry our sensitive information, like credit cards, ID, passport, all in our wallet, right? What if I told you there's a way to protect all that without any hassle, without major investments, and without needing to do anything once you put it in your wallet? This is the SafeCard, and today I'm going to tell you what I really think about it. Stick with me until the end, and I'll tell you everything. Well, to start, I'm very cautious when it comes to security, especially because we all know how data theft scams are on the rise. I bought the SafeCard because, yes, I've heard a lot about data theft via RFID. I bought it from the manufacturer's official website, where I got a discount, and I believe that discount is still available. If you're thinking about buying or learning more about the product, I recommend checking out the official site to make sure it's legit and to take advantage of the 30-day money-back guarantee. I'll leave the link I used to buy it with the discount below in the video description. Like many of you, I always thought this was something distant, something that happens to other people. But after seeing stories from people who had their information stolen at places like airports and malls, I started to worry more about my security, especially when I'm traveling or in crowded places. This is where the SafeCard comes in. It promises to block RFID scans instantly. I put it in my wallet with my cards, and I can honestly say it's super easy to use. There's no secret to it, no batteries, no setup. Just put it in and you're good to go. And believe me, it feels a lot better knowing your information is protected, especially for someone like me who's usually pretty skeptical about these kinds of products. The SafeCard is really thin, just 1.1 millimeters thick, so it doesn't take up any space in my wallet. This is great because if you're like me, you don't like bulky, heavy wallets, and you'll love this. It's super light and doesn't make your wallet uncomfortable. I traveled with it in my backpack for weeks, and I never even noticed it was there. Not once did I think, oh, this is bothering me. It just works, and you don't need to worry about it. Its range is 5 centimeters, which is more than enough to block any scanner or data reader that scammers use. And it's tough. When you think of something that's going to stay in your wallet all the time, you expect it to be durable, right? And the SafeCard is just that. It's waterproof, tear-resistant, and from what I can tell, it's much stronger than I expected. After using it for a while, it's still in perfect condition, which gives me more confidence, because the last thing you want is a product that only lasts a few months. I'm the kind of person who overthinks things. When I'm in crowded places, like at the airport or a packed mall, I always get that feeling that someone might be trying to steal my information. And believe me, that feeling is not exaggerated. The number of people with RFID reading devices is way higher than we think. With the SafeCard, I can relax, knowing that any data theft attempt will be blocked right then and there. There's nothing more relieving than walking around without constantly worrying about being another victim. If you're also concerned about your information security and want a simple way to protect yourself, the SafeCard is a great option. If you want more information, be sure to check out the link in the description. Take a look and see if it can help you too. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might also want to know about the SafeCard. See you next time.